So the other day we were talking about that experience in Uganda.
Well, a couple of years ago, some friends of mine went on a missions trip to Uganda. If you know anything about International Justice Mission, they're known for helping people, rescuing people who are caught up in sex trafficking, human slavery, and that's what I was expecting to see pictures of. And instead, when they came back, I saw pictures of land title documents. And I'm thinking, what? Land title documents? Well, here's the rest of the story. Africa was devastated by the AIDS virus, and hundreds of thousands of Ugandans died in the plague. And many of them were men. And Uganda society is patriarchal, so when the husbands die, they're leaving behind widows and orphans who are very vulnerable. These strongmen, gangs, thugs I would call them, were going in and evicting the widows and the children from their little homesteads. And I mean, these are very humble places, that they're just little houses with a little garden, just enough for them to live on. But they were kicking them off, in some cases even murdering the widows. And you might say, well, you know, go into court, prove that you own the land. I mean, that's what we would do here.
Right.
But the problem was that the land title documents couldn't be retrieved. They were actually being stored in garages on cement slabs. And if you know, Uganda's in East Central Africa, right on the equator. So it's not a climate controlled environment, and these documents were literally molding and rotting away. A team of volunteers, they came in, and their mission was to sort through, clean, and index the documents so that you could prove who owned the land. I think we take things for granted. I mean, we live in the United States where we have access to the best land title records in the world. Our title indexing system, our title document retrieval system is the envy of the world, and we have professionals here who are the best in the world. And right here at TitleSmart, I'm working with people who are, I would say, the best of the best. For us, the documents aren't just documents.
You know, I do believe that when I walk around some days and I look at everybody, and people are really passionate about what they do. And I know that a lot of times people think title insurance, it's not that flashy and it's not that exciting, but I mean, when you really think about it, buying a house, and that's what people, work their whole life to be able to do.
It's because we understand that the title documents aren't just documents. They're not just documents to us. The documents represent people's lives. And that's what makes the difference.
That American dream of owning a home. I feel like because our staff and our people, our professionals care so much, I mean, you can't train somebody to care.
Right.
They have to have it in their core.